want to make my lunch now. You can see in my air fryer. When you mentioned a relative of Shafali, I started to get suspicious of her. And then I'm telling it. You are very lucky, big son. You were in our house and we didn't recognize you. If I had been there, I would have been able to tell that she was not actually a real woman. He's doing so well. He's doing very well. And then now I'm going to do my lunch. It's lunchtime. Oops there. It will not be easy to escape this Irish mistake. Where is Virgo? Where is Virgo? I don't want to put. Oopsie. Yeah. When you guys weren't here, we were both able to save ourselves from Miss Mishka. Just as you protect us too, we will also help these. And these got to choose. Tomatoes and lettuce. And then this waiting for my chicken then to get ready. I'm very hungry now, so I'm just opening this. Do you know, even I bought my stove with that system of mine that I'm using this smoothie maker, and then I bought my one place stove. It's a 500 watts one. You can see 500 watts. I can cook with it with the solar. I think you can see how it is. It's very portable. It's 500 watts. So I'm using stove when I'm cooking. And then now I put my air fryer and make my smoothie with this. You know, you don't need to have electricity to use your thing. You can even use the battery solar panel. Me, I'm using solar panel. Where I say there is no what you call it, electricity. Only I'm using solar panel. I put 4 solars on top. A musty inverter and the lithium battery. So with those things, I'm using all my 500 watt stove, this 500 watts smoothie maker, and then my oven, microwave. I'm using microwave. It's a 900 watts. And then my air fryer is the one that is having a lot of wattage on it. But I'm using it afternoon when it's still charging like this when the sun is out, because the battery is already full. So I'm using that thing too. Very soon my air fryer will be stopped now, and then make the salad. I think I lose a little bit of weight from 97, now I'm in 92. One day I will go to 85. The weight that I wanted is 85. If I go to 85, my normal weight I was used to be, I'll be fine. I'm trying to lose at least now is 8 kilos. If I lose those 8 kilos now, I think I'll be very sexy.
He'll be living with me now. Diva, look, you're not technically Via's real family. And you've done so much, but nobody denies that. Now I only have one son. I'll raise Via as my own son, I promise you. And sister-in-law, he is... No, Diva. Via is my nephew. It's my brother's blood that flows through his veins. So if I raise him as my own, not only will it be less of a problem, but more fitting, don't you think? I'll take good care of him.
The cottage cheese is so nice. It's yum yum. Yum yum yum.
Will you have a problem if she takes Via away? Well, why would Diva have a problem? Via is my nephew. If he stays with me, he'll be happy. But Via would... I'd still take good care of him. Diva, none of us here thought that you would look after him very
A
well.
little salt on it.
But since Via was born, I think all the things that happened... His circumstances haven't been good since day one. Sora was with her dad, and Rupa was with you. But Via, he's always been loved. Where is Via Nandavati? He can't even speak yet.
The vinegar,
So much already.
a little bit.
I can't even argue. I promise. Sister will take really good care of Via. Eva, look, you already have enough problems in your life.
This is, I used to put it on my bread.
Make a fresh
It's
start
a-
for yourself too.
Okay, you can see.
With big
Fat
girls,
free.
how my daughters and I live without it? I get it,
Yeah.
Eva.
Finish. I'm going to take my air fryer.
Of course you're going to be upset that he's going. But think about it this way. When he grows up and he learns to speak, what is it that he'll call you? What about mother? Would you like him to call you that name? I agree with Pala. It isn't right. Mother-in-law? You feel this way too? Yes, I do. If Via calls you mother, it could be too much for you. So,
What?
Anusha,
Yum yum.
Palak, I have talked to them all, and together we have decided if Via and Palak live together, he'll be away from this house. And he'll be away from unwanted situations. Then perhaps he'll be able to...
There is a fryer now. You can see.
So for the sake of Via and the others, and especially
What
for
you
the
want
sake of
to. It's so hot.
I'm forced to make this harsh decision.
And then it's just so hot like this.
So would it be you decide? I'm sure you thought it through. But you know something? This has been decided out of nowhere. I knew nothing about it. I really didn't think that I needed to talk to you about this alone beforehand. But I didn't. I
Yum
didn't
yum.
agree to this plan. Just because I wanted to hurt you. I just don't want it to be your responsibility. So I have
This is the
decided
end of my lunch
to stay with Hannah.
lunch now.
Be good for everyone. Of course. Freedom.
it's the end of my lunch. Finished making my lunch. Yeah.
We all went up together, right?
Thank you so much, guys.
Mother,
I think you can join me
you'll only end up regretting it.
for a little bit for my.
I don't feel bad about this. Actually, you know, I've gotten attached to him.
Delicious.
Eva, I know you must be feeling awful right now. Don't feel bad about anything.
Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my channel and follow.
Could you
Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.